Hi guys, this is Kiwi Tom. I'm just having a look at the charts for EU. If I was going to trade binary tonight, I just want to take you through how I would go about setting up. I haven't changed my preparations too much in the last 6 months. I'm still looking at MAs. I'm still looking for momentum and volatility. I like watching candles. I like what the story they tell me. And so to prepare, even though I've got the monthly and weekly over here, that doesn't really have much relevance to what I'm going to do on binary today. I hope to trade for about 1 hour, so it's 10 p.m. here, and I need to have a look at those lower time frames. So I'll just go into the top tab over here, which will take me into the 1 minute chart. We can see a nice little breakout happening over there. That's okay. I'm in no hurry to hand over my money to that broker. So I'm going to start at the daily. It looks like we've had a reasonable day yesterday, and today we've got a bit of a retracement. Looking at that retracement, we might be able to find some insight from a fib as to where that's currently sitting. From experience, we know that price likes to hang around this or turn around the 38.2, and also we know that the 61.8 is a fabulous area to use as support or resistance. So those two areas are of interest to me if it comes down near that location. But currently it's sitting on 23.6. Once again, that could be a reasonable area to look for support if volume is low, which it is. Okay, let's have a look at the 4 hourly. So the last 5 hours, 6 hours, price has been slowly coming down. There's not a whole heap of movement. That's only about 30 pips or so. Yeah, around about 30 pips. That's all good. I'll get rid of that line. Not sure what that is for. Okay. Come into the hourly. So it's 10:03. We've had some bearish movement straight off the hour. It's coming onto my 24 moving average. Because this is an hourly, I've got a 24 moving average because it's 24 hours in a day. That's about much science I've put into that. But yeah, you can see how that is quite an area of interest for price, which is good to see that MA might be useful. Coming into the 15 minute, we have price definitely bearish. Looks like there was a stop hunt over here, and then barreling kept coming down. Not really barreling, it's meandering by the looks. And now we have our 5 minute. I'll just make that a little bit more realistic. So the 5 minutes just come off our 233 moving average, which is good to see that was an area again that is worthwhile trading and having on my chart. And we're definitely bearish, but we've got this candle here that's okay. So this is our candle, our last 5 minute candle. And we'll go down into the 1 minute, shall we? Expand that. So we've come off the same support, so that's an area of interest for me. I'll just put my line in. I'll go to the bottom of that previous low down there. Okay, so looking to trade this on the 1 minute chart. Let me place a resistance line. It looks reasonable over here. I've just sculled a big glass of wine, so I'm a bit there's a little bit of air in my throat. Now I've got the MAs fanning out quite nicely. It's showing me there's a downtrend. We've got a little bit of support here. It probably looks a little bit stronger, slightly up further. Right there. I'd feel comfortable with that as resistance. If price pops over there, I'll take a trade. If price pops through here, I'll take a trade. So I'm only looking at breakouts at the moment because of the current conditions. Nice little breakout. And I'll take a 1 minute put from here. 23600. There's my mark. It seems to be going well. It needed a fair bit of force to get past that support. After the run down from here, that was obviously a position, a reasonable position. It didn't last too long, but it needed some force to go down. So we've got a nice ITM on that first breakout. That's good. Well done, team. And that's exactly how you trade a 1 minute trade, using what could be termed as dynamic support and resistance. And we're looking for these candles. We're looking to trade with the MAs, and that's a very safe trade. Okay, I hope to do a few more of these videos for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Good stuff. See you later.